This is a test for volume.
Oh, so we're just actually recording it. This is not live, so we don't have to pretend.
Correct.
Awesome.
Okay, good.
Cheers. All right.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is the first video we've ever made. We're gonna be talking all about travel, trailer,
Renovation ideas.
Reno ideas. Really Martin's specialties. Why don't you just take it away?
If there is a renovation on the horizon.
They're here because they want to renovate something.
Right. I would say if you do actually renovate a trailer and start with any box, try to reuse as much as possible of it, because weight is key and a lot of materials that are there can already be used. We bought a new cargo trailer, which is completely empty, but it's completely finished out in wood on the inside. So instead of just actually building a bunch of cabinets and sticking it on top of the wood, we took the wood off, insulated it, replaced it with a much thinner, lighter wall covering, and then used the old wood, which was a 1/4-inch plywood, to just make all the cabinetries of it. So in other words, we hardly added any weight.
Let's talk about sizable shower and bathroom.
You say by clicking the button
We can
below.
I don't know, click
Up,
here. We don't
yeah.
really have anything
We'll
for you to
figure that
click. We have a rain shower.
Build a sizable shower because you're going to enjoy it when you're on the road.
Multi-function areas.
So you don't have to worry about building a living room and a dining room and a bedroom and a kitchen and all that. This can all be the same room effectively, because guess what? You only have one room and it's a pretty small room. So you might want to make as much of it as multifunctional as possible. For example, little drawer on the sideboard area that you use otherwise as a countertop or as a storage space or as a little work nook can pull out and be the base of a table that folds out. So 2-for-1 special. The bed can be a day bed, can be a sofa, can be a full bed, can be underfloor storage, can be a multitude of things.
And so let's talk about some other travel trailer renovation ideas. So when we first started, it is just the two of us. We don't have children, but we do have 3 cats. And so we came up with the concept of having a pet suite versus a couple suite versus a family suite.
If you have kids, you want to obviously have a more convenient, comfortable area with your kids.
Like fold down bunk.
You can have a fold down bunk, you can build it where it pops up and becomes a bunk. Couples retreat obviously allows for a little bit more space. So bigger shower, bigger bedroom area, because you probably spend a little bit more time there, lounging
You could
around.
maybe even put like a little bathtub in there.
That's
like a little soaking tub, like a little Japanese
be
little
on
soaking
our 3.0 version probably, to replace the bathroom floor.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're hearing it right here, just as I am. When renovating the travel trailer, something that was really important to us was kind of our creature comforts from home. So like, what do we really enjoy at home? And then like shrinking it down on a smaller scale. What aspects did we take from our everyday life into the trailer life?
Watching TV on like a 100-inch TV. Very simple solution for that is a few $100 for a LED projector, simply because you are in a relatively dark or darker space compared to your home. And you are in you have very short distances the light has to travel to provide a pretty good picture.
Have really good Wi-Fi. Had a dishwasher, a washing machine,
a reverse osmosis water filtration system.
Hope you enjoyed our first video. Give us a like down below. Let us know what you thought. If you have any questions, drop them down below. We'll definitely be answering them in our next video. I have to redo this outro. What are we saying at the end?
Is that called an outro?
Outro. If you liked this video and you found it super helpful, go ahead and give us a like below. Go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.